then yes, can you do the sarf of ahsayna?
It's ha swadia,
Yes. Family.
and it's coming from the fourth bab.
Yes.
It's ahsa yuhsi
Sorry. For.
yuhsi
Mm-hmm.
eh, ihsa ihsaan
Yes. Fahuwa.
fahuwa muhsin.
Can everyone? Inshallah. Sister Farah,
Yes, sister.
can you do the second line of this?
Sorry.
The second line, the majhul line.
Um,
What is Madi
Uhs.
Majhool pattern?
Yeah. Yuhsa.
Madi?
Mali is uhsi.
Yes. And then what about this one? This one here. This Naqis, this will always end with a ya fathah. Okay? It's
Okay.
ufila, right? So here, yes, we don't see the fathah because there's a fathah before, but here we do see it. Uhsiya. Okay? And then Mudori Majhool.
Yuhsa.
Good. You saw. Oh, sorry. This becomes alif maksura. And then fahuwa is a maf'ul.
Yeah. Fahuwa muhsan.
Yes, good. More. Oh, okay, everyone, for mazid fihi. Okay, whatever you get here, just add fathatain with alif maksura. You get your ism maf'ul already. Good. Hold on. Let's do sarf. Sister Shiraz.
Ji.
Madi chat this.
Ahsa. Ahsaya.
Yes.
Ahsayu. So it will be ahsu.
Uh-uh.
And the muya
Yes.
with the dhamma. Ahsaw. It can happen. Ji. Ahsaw.
Fatha,
Ji.
you don't change to dhamma.
Ji.
Yes.
Ji. Ahsaw.
And then here,
Ahsayat.
yet. Are you sure?
Yeah. Ahsa.
So you add
Ahsayat.
ta sukun.
Ahsayat. Ahsayat.
You don't
So
put
I'll remove the, yeah. Ahsat.
yes. Ahsat. Correct.
Ahsat. Ahsata.
Yes.
And ahsayna.
Yes. Good. Next one, Sister Hasiba. Mudori, please.
Mudori.
Mm-hmm.
Yuhsi
Mm-hmm.
yuhsiya
Yufsi. Yani.
yuhsiyani yuhsiyuna.
Okay, you add una. We always delete the root letter for Naqis, whom. Okay. Whether in Madi, whether in Mudori. So you get C and then waw nun. So what do we do about this kasrah?
Yuhsiyuna.
No. It was supposed to be yuhsiyuna.
Okay. Yuhsuna.
Yes, we drop the ya, and then we cannot do kasrah before ya. Change it to dhamma. Yuhsuna. Okay. Then ya.
Yuhsiya. Tuhsi.
Yes, tuhsi. And then
Tuhsiyani.
yes. And then hunna.
Then yuhsina.
Sinna. Did you say that?
Yuhsina.
Yes, yuhsina.
Yuhsina.
Yes, just put sukun normal, right? Just put sukun and na fathah. Can everyone, inshallah? Let's do Madi Majhool, Sister Diba. Yes. So this is the Madi Majhool, Uhsiya.
Uhsiya. Uhsiyat.
Huma.
usia,
Mhm.
usu.
Good. We delete ya. It's kasra. Change to dhamma. Uksu. Mhm.
Then usiat,
Yes. Then.
usiata,
Yes. Then.
usina.
Yes.
No, yeah, usina.
Correct.
Right?
Good. Next one, Sister Saima. Mudori Majhool. Yuhsa.
يكسيان
Good.
يكسون
Hold on. Yuhsauna. Good. We don't change fathah. Here.
تحصى
Yes.
تحصيان
Mhm.
يحصين
Good. Yuhsaina. Okay. Good. Then Sister Hajira.
Yes, sister.
Ism Faail. So this is Muslim chart. Muhsin, Rafa, Nasab.
Muhsan,
What is inside the kasratain?
muhsiyan.
Yes. Oops. Muhsi. Take out the ya. Then you can put your fathatain. And then jar.
Muhsiin.
Same as Rafa. Just Muhsin, Muhsin. So that Rafa and jar looks the same.
Okay.
Okay? Clear? Then dual Rafa.
Muhsiyani.
Yes. Nasab and jar.
Muhsiyaini.
Good. And plural Rafa.
Muhsuna.
Good. Supposed to be muhsiyuna. Drop the ya again. Change to dhamma. Muhsu.
Muhsuna.
Yes. And nasab and jar.
Muhsina. Muhsina.
Good. Muhsi. Next one, Sister Amatullah.
Yes.
What about the feminine version? So this is Muslimun chat. What about the Muslimatun chat?
Yeah. So it's Ism Faail.
Yes, still some fine.
Okay. Muhsin. Muhsinatin.
Sina? Why not? This is Muslimun, right? You put the last root letter with a fathah and then you add tamar buta. Muslimun, Muslimatun, right?
Yeah.
So this is
That's in the Muhsatin.
No. Okay, what's inside the kasratain? What's your root letter?
Ha, Sin, and yeah.
Yes. So
Sod. Sorry, Sod.
yes, ha, sod, and ya. So muhsi.
Muhsi, Muhsitin.
No, this ya is your root letter. Is your
Yeah.
mim in muslimatun. This ya is your mim in muslimatun. This is your sod. This is your ya. Tun.
Then is Muhsiyatun.
Yes.
Muhsiyatin.
Muhsiyatun, rafa, nasab.
Oh, okay. Nasab is muhsiyatun. This is Rafa. Muhsiyatin.
Why tin?
Muhsiyatan. Tan.
This is singular.
Muhsiyat.
Yes.
Muhsiyatan
And then
and
jar.
muhsiyatan.
Jar?
Jar also tan.
No. This is
Muslimatun,
muslimatun.
muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin.
Normal.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Tin. Okay.
Yeah.
Dual.
Dual muhsiyatane.
Muhsiyatani or yatani?
Muhsiyatane.
Yes. Muhsiyatani. Just change your tun to tani. Yes.
Muhsiyatane. Muhsiya again tane.
No. Nasib and jar. Do you know the muslimat? Muslimat.
Taine. Muhsiyatane. Muhsiyataine.
Yes.
Taine and taine. Same.
Yes. And then
Muhsiyataine. And then Jamu.
yes, jama is what?
Jama is Muslimatun, Muslimatane, Muslimatun. And okay.
So
Muhsiya, Muhsiyatun.
yes. Okay, just
Yeah.
change your tamarbuta itu
Yeah. Muhsiyatun. Yeah.
Yes. Nasib and jar.
Muhsiyatun, Muhsiyatan.
Do we have atun, atan, atin?
Muslimatun, Muslimatin,
Yes.
Muslimatin.
Tan here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Muhsiyatin.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, so yeah.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
It's the same
Yeah.
as muslimatun. Don't overthink. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Then Sister Asma. Oops. Ism Mafool. Muhsan.
It would be muhsan, muhsayani,
Can you go singular Rafa Nasib Jar first?
muhsan.
Hmm?
It would be muhsan.
Jar?
Muhsan.
Yes. Next one. Rafa and dual.
It's muhsayani,
Yes.
muhsayaini,
Yes.
muhsayaini.
Yes.
And then it would be muhsauna,
Good. Hold on. Let me make this smaller.
muslimai,
Musauna, you said right?
muhsaunaha.
Nasib and jar?
It would be something like muhsauna. It should be muhsaina.
Yes.
Muhsina it become, but due to the fatha, it
It remains fatha.
it remains fatha.
Yes.
Okay.
So musauna, muhsaina. Okay, here sounds normal. Una, ina. Musuna, even though there's a ya that's missing. Clear?
Ustadha, what
Yes.
did you do there? This is Muhsin. This is singular. This is the plural.
This one? Yes.
Plural or
Plural. Yes. Plural Rafa, Nasib Jar. Singular,
no.
dual, plural.
This is Ism Mafool, isn't it?
Yes, this is Ism Mafool. So the
Okay,
difference
I
is
understand now.
the
Yeah.
kasrah here. Yes, this is Ism Faail. This is Ism Mafool. Clear? Can? Then Sister Farah.
Yes,
What
sister.
about the feminine version?
Feminine version. Let me try. I'm not too sure. Muh- Muhsayatun.
Yes, muhsayatun. This will be, right, what you normally see, like muslimatun is Ism Faail, muslamatun is Ism Mafool, yes? But we have an additional
Yes.
step here for Naqis. Do you know?
Mm-hmm. Because
The additional
I
step
don't.
is here on this ya, right? This is
Yeah.
Naqis. Before it is a fathah. So
Mm-hmm.
the rule is to change this to alif.
Okay.
So this is your Ism Mafool Naqis, basically. Work it out like this, make it fathah, make it Ism Mafool, and then because of the fathah, the ya becomes alif. Muhsatun. Clear? Okay. Then you can work as per normal. So nasab will be
Muhsayatan.
no ya anymore.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Muhsatan
Yes, muhsatan. Hold on.
and muhsatin.
Oh no. Yes, muhsatan, muhsatin. Yes, and then dual, rafa.
It will be muhsayatani.
Okay, the alif is still there. So what happens to
Okay.
this tamarbuta? Here, this tamarbuta change into tani.
Tani.
Yes, so do the same here. Don't change the alif. The alif remains.
Okay.
Just change the tamarbuta to tani. So you get
Muhsatani.
correct.
Okay. There will be two
Muhsata.
alifs.
Sorry, say again.
Yeah, there will be two alif. Muhsatani. Oh, it
Yes.
goes that way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then
Muhsataini.
yes. And then
Muhsatini.
yes. And then plural.
Plural will be muhsayatun.
Yes. Here you have to go back to the ya.
Okay.
Okay, because here tamarbuta change to atun, right? If you do that here,
Yeah.
then you have two alifs, right? Atun. So here is the only time you go back to your original muhsayatun. Okay, clear?
Okay.
And nasab and jar will be
Muhsayatan. I'm sorry, I'm not getting it.
atun, atin,
Muhsa,
atin. So muhsayatun,
yeah, muhsayatun,
yeah,
muhsayatin.
exactly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can everyone clear? Inshallah. Any questions?
Sister, why what's the rule? Yeah, change alif.
Because if you do your normal, if you take from here and change to atun, right? Your tamarbuta change to atun, you get two alif. Okay, so the rule is ya before it is fathah, change to alif, except for if there's alif comes after it. So this one doesn't change. Clear?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the rule is
So,
change to alif if it's preceded by fathah, except if there's an alif after it, you don't change. Right? Technically, this
yeah,
as a fathah, supposed to change to alif, but if you do that, you get double alif, so you don't do that. Clear?
okay. Okay. Yeah, that is the and tamarbuta side by side, right?
Yes, basically.
The rule should be. And
Correct.
here is not. So
Yes.
this alif. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's okay. Yeah.
Any other questions? No? Okay.